Is the deadline breathing down your neck? Got you that feeling of cold sweat? The idea of cramming all that brain power from scribble notes to full blown polished paper into a single solitary 48-hour weekend sounds absolutely bonkers, right? What if I told you and showed you that the right kind of prep and a rock solid plan can beat this academic beast? You can actually wrestle down this monster to the ground. Yeah, we are not talking here leisurely weeks or even months to get this done. Mhm. This is a straight up, no nonsense, 2 day writing marathon. And I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a one-way ticket to the burnout city, and that this paper is gonna suck, right? But no, hold on. Today we are not even talking about whether if this is even possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a jumble of raw thoughts into a paper that can actually be submitted Monday morning. This isn't some hocus pocus stuff, Fox guys. This is pure, unadulterated protocol only. Now, a lot of smart people are going to tell you, and they are not wrong, let me tell you that good solid research needs time to breathe, like to marinate a little bit, like that yummy paneer tikka masala. But here's the kicker. What if the real grunt work, all that heavy lifting, the actual research, the crunching data, figuring out your core arguments, what if all that is already in the bag? See, this whole thing starts to shift, right? It's less about wandering in the dark looking for answers, and it's more about being focused and forming a strategic assembly. So, whatever's fueling your fire, this mission takes a heck of a lot of more than a few pots of coffee. It demands a whole new way of attacking the writing process. And that's what we are going to do today. We are going to break this beast down, chop, 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 map out a clear path to victory, and then maybe during this process, learn some productivity and time management lessons. Interested? Let's get going. So, listen up, guys. This mission is absolutely critical, and a pre prep is non negotiable. You cannot just roll into Saturday morning and stare at a cursor blinking on your blank page. Your success in this 48-hour blitz, it all hinges on what you do before the weekend even kicks off. So, here's my 5 step pre weekend power up plan. First things first, all of your research, every experiment, every scrap of data needs to be 100% locked down, done, finished. The weekend is the sacred ground only for writing. No last minute frantic Google searches, no cramming of data organization, etc. 90% of the project is done, it's only the 10% that is remaining. Next, you need to be organized, like your academic life depends on it. And yeah, right now it kind of does. So, no data crunching, it should be done. Those beautiful charts, formatted tables, yes, everything has to be ready to roll out. And most importantly, you should know exactly where each piece of the jigsaw puzzle fits. The story needs to be big and foolproof, just like you're going to tell it. Third, what actually are you writing for? It's a target journal, right? So you need to know the stuff. That what's going to command your paper, your entire structure, your tone, your format, your citation style, everything. So pro tip here is check out a couple of papers from that journal, the recent most papers, skim them through. No need to read every word. You'll get the vibe. Fourth point, you need a crystal clear storyline, the absolute core message of your paper. If you cannot communicate your work in a 1 or 2 maximum lines, then you're not ready for this mission. Period. There's no negotiation. Finally, the fifth point, make a rough outline of your paper. Sketch out the main points, the main sections, and the entire flow of your arguments. The weekend is only for putting meat on those bones. The paneer is supposed to be ready to be cooked. The marination is already done. All your points should be streamlined. You don't have to think about what those points are, not at this point. And remember, if you skip this process, these 48 hours are just going to vanish before you can even blink. And the weekend will be a whole pile of nothing at all.